Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to disable iCUE SDK for your Corsair M65 RGB Ultra. So first, what we're going to do is we're going to go over and open up the settings. Now once we are in the settings, as you guys can see here, we do not care about the device settings right here. We go to software settings, we go to SDK, and here we have iCUE SDK. Now we can disable it, and now you just have to tap on the switch, click on it with your left mouse button, and that will disable it permanently unless you turn it back on. So that's how you guys can do it. Thank you guys for watching the video. If you enjoyed it, make sure to leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.